Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.